Well, first of all, I apologize for my voice. I lost it. I'm using 2 microphones, so can you barely hear me?
Yes.
Very good, fantastic. So you can hear me better than I can hear myself, which is good. So I'm going to talk about the experience of Y-Dreams in physiological computing for outdoor activities. And basically, I'm going to reflect on our past experience. We worked with the firemen in a project sponsored by the European Space Agency about 6 or 7 years ago. And more recently, we worked with one of the major football clubs in Europe. I cannot tell the name. With a platform also based on sensors, on physiological sensors. So I'm going to talk about these 2 projects. None of them was a fantastic success, but I really think they are the way for the future. In talking about the future, I'm going to talk very briefly about the athlete of the future. I'm very involved in sports. Y-Dreams is working very closely with in Brazil for the World Cup and also for the Olympics. So we are looking very much on these athlete of the future. And at Y-Dreams here, we are also working on new guides. And I mean, we start with museums. I mean, what will be the intelligent guides of the future? And then I reflect that part of the intelligence of the guides will be based on the perception they have from the users. And eventually, all of us will have some kind of physiological sensors, and we will enable the access to the information often by those guides. And by guides, I'm talking in abstract terms. They can be in museums, but they can be our guides to our better health. They can be our virtual teachers and so forth. So let's start with firemen. So with the Institute of Telecommunications and a major designer in Portugal, we imagine that the firemen one day would go to the forest fires fully equipped with several sensors. So they will of course have the geographical position, the orientation, the limb status and movement to see if they fell down or not, the heart rate, the temperature, all kinds of alert signals and the battery level.